Oh, you mean if only Hitler were alive in Argentina calling the shots? It would all make so much more sense then. That would explain things. In the absence of an overarching demon like that, it's a little hard to explain things. I don't know. I don't feel this need for intellectual closure. I don't see why things should make sense. They never have. And they're always in process of formation. And as soon as any given goal or benchmark is achieved, it's abandoned and redefined in favor of something else. No, I think conspiracy theory is a very disempowering thing, because what it says is you can't control the world. Or it's more difficult to control the world than you think it is. Not so. I've had a very different experience. My experience with the corridors of power, if you want to put it that way, is that there are an immense number of clueless people. It's almost like McKenna's law. It's that as you advance in social hierarchy, the percentage of smart people does not increase. So, we could now, let's move to a cabinet meeting of the Clinton administration. There are as many stupid people, truly moronic people, sitting in that room as there are sitting in this room. It doesn't seem to make any difference, because people don't find their seats according to intellectual or social merit. Every human situation is bedeviled by morons. No matter how high you rise, you're surrounded by fools. And you're lucky if you're not one of them. I mean, that's the basic thing to try and guard against. And the other thing is, at the top, it's remarkably empty. You think, if you've never been there, that toward the top of the control pyramid, there must be many people standing in line, eager to take the helm, eager to make big decisions and establish their reputations and do whatever they do. Instead, what you find is fear as you go up the hierarchy. My God, if I make this decision and it goes wrong, I will lose my chairmanship, or I will lose my something or other. So as you approach these enormously powerful levers for manipulating society, everybody's holding their hands behind their back. They don't want their fingerprints on the lever, because they know, that there could be war crimes trials if you stumble and get it wrong. I mean, you may have thought you were on a golden crusade. Suddenly you're looking at 12 guys in powdered wigs who think you're a jerk, and they're going to hang you for the stunt you pulled. So it's like that.